welcome to December 11th. Yes, we are filming this on December 11th, and that is why we're uploading it super late.
Yep.
So, it's 1 o'clock right now. We all woke up early. We just didn't end up filming until then because Jonah had school, and we sat around for a long time.
Be sure to hit that subscribe so you can see these at 10 a.m. When we do it, which we've only missed 3 days.
I think we've only been on time twice.
Never mind.
Normal human beings, we're slacker.
We're awful at getting things on time.
We've got a ginormous advent calendar here.
In each compartment, there are 5 gifts for 5 children.
Yep, one for me, one for Emma, one for Jonah, one for Luca,
I think Luca's in front.
who isn't there, and one for Micah, who's just went inside here.
Got him.
So,
Anyways, Micah lives in box number 11 now.
Which is today's day.
But, Micah, can you grab that bell? The bell in there means that whatever item is in this box is too big to get in the box.
whoa! Through the magic of editing, here it is.
That wasn't editing, that was pure magic.
All right, yeah, it was.
Let's get into it. What we got here is an 80-ton tractor. It's a John Deere put together, taken apart tractor with a very excited child on the front. Thank you, Klein, for the free product. The fact that we prepared it.
All right, Micah,
We're
here
gonna
we
build
go.
a whole tractor right here, right now.
Wow, that's actually a really good screwdriver. Now twist. Twist. Oh my gosh, you broke it already.
Oh no, you judge. Look it. Look it. I think it's no right.
Screwdriver, please.
I think it's so
He'll be a mechanic one day.
Yeah.
Whatever.
Whoa!
Mommy will convict
Whatever.
Micah's tractor engine is built, so now it's time for the next bell ring for the next item. Let's go, Jonah.
Let's go.
Whoa!
Here it is.
Yay!
All
This
right,
is called the Little Snowy 2 Ice Shaver.
Thank you to Snowy for the free product.
So 4 bottles of flavors we have are blue raspberry, lemmy lime, tiki blood, and orange.
So we've got blue raspberry, tiger's blood, sour grape, orange pineapple, lemon lime, and pina colada.
And also, multicolored spoons.
Oh yeah! Wow. I like to really flavor my drink.
Delicious. Little Snowy 2 was a great product that had great flavors and it tasted amazing, worked great. It's a legit ice shaver creator.
It's not like those $20 ones they try to sell you on television and you get it and it just falls apart in the first 5 minutes
But
and
for
you
that
use it.
for that price point, I would expect that.
Too legit to quit.
Anyways,
Yeah.
thank
Too
you.
legit to quit.
Thank you, Snowy, for sending us this free product.
Thank you, Snowy.
On to the next product. There's the bell. Ding, 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 ding.
He's still enjoying.
Right.
Whoa!
Ah!
That's epic.
There's only like one of these in the entire world.
This right here, as you can see, is a Pick Me Pop Surprise Jelly Dreamers Pajama Party set. I'm sorry, I meant Jelly Dreams. The illustrations on the box are very cute. I like them. All right,
I like them too.
let's open it up.
Yeah.
So, inside, I'm gonna get over here first because
Batteries.
they're so much easier to open. It's so cute. This is Twinks the cat. This one is Glint the dog. Look at this cute sticker that came with it.
Well, it's
Is that-
Cause you know it's a pajama party thing. They got a bunch of stuff over here. So we have Mad Libs, a bunch of sleeping masks, and so I'm gonna open them because they're vacuum sealed. See?
Why are they-
Oh my gosh, they light up!
Yeah, that's the whole deal.
That's pretty awesome.
Give me that battery.
Look.
Now you're at it. It's in the back.
my gosh. It's glorious.
Bleeding. It's like it's
Yeah, there's a heartbeat mode, a full mode, and a half mode. Micah,
That's so good.
I like the full mode.
we'll save these for our next blindfolded challenge.
Woo.
Obviously.
I have tons of friends I would invite over to my house to sleep. Then we have photo booth props. You know those these thingies?
We took a picture in a photo booth once for no reason. Noah wasted $5 that day, but it was worth it. So I guess he didn't waste it, because it turned out really good. And one time, I dropped the pictures that we took in a Walgreens, and then a person saw them, and that was embarrassing.
Somebody put on the glasses.
Alrighty. So there are a lot of these.
Wear your glasses.
Check it out. I'm at a loss for words.
Amazing.
Alrighty. No, it's not to lick. No, it's not. It's not a popsicle. That's not what it's for.
Cute though.
Alright, then we have a poster. Let's see.
Anyway.
My spirit animal is
Yeah.
a Pick Me Pops unicorn.
Yep, me
Cute.
too.
It is
Wow.
kind of cute. Yeah, I like the Pick Me
I
Pops
think
art.
Pick Me Pop is like one of my favorite
They've
products.
got very, very cute designs, and I like how they look. I really like how they light up. That's very cute. All right, now we have
candy.
a lot of candy. Wow.
That's a lot of Swedish fish for.
It will be completely consumed
That's. Hold on.
within the next 24 hours.
Wait. What are these?
Show it.
Red box gifts
What?
for like the movie thingy. Wow.
Yeah.
This is a lot of good stuff.
This is very good. We love you, Pick Me Pops.
We have glue sticks.
Oh yeah.
268 pieces. 268 glow sticks.
Wow.
That's a large amount.
Thank you.
And then we have Pick Me Pop's Lollipop Chase game, which
Oh,
I'm
wow,
assuming
what is
is
that?
like
That sounds epic.
a board game, and it has one sweet scented plush inside. The Pick Me Pop Surprise Ultimate Character Guide.
Wow. That's amazing.
Just like
No,
their
I-
personalities and stuff.
That's cute. Meet the Pick Me Pops.
I'm not showing it.
Meet the Pick Me Pop scented stickers inside.
Whoa, hold on. Because they are pretty beautiful.
Like that one.
I would use this one. Actually, I will use this one. Look at how beautiful that is. It's a moose.
Thank you, Moose, for sending us the candy and all the Pick Me Pop stuff and these sleeping masks
And a
these-
screwdriver. That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Screwdriver is pretty cool.
We didn't ask for it, but you know.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you, Moose, for the free product. Next item is Luca's item. Micah, can you grab it for us? All right, here's Luca's gift.
It's a penguin that
Get this, claps.
and sings.
I can do it.
Oh, no. Micah really likes it because these things exist before we put them in the boxes. So Micah really liked it and he hugged it to where its arm broke.
It was very sad.
Clap one hand.
And
Now it waves.
Our
But it was
father.
also this is such a very cute.
Yeah.
Now it waves, right?
Yeah, it waves.
He's just an amputee.
He's kind
It
of
works. It kind of works.
Here's the mic. Here's the mic.
It's like my arm is like broken and like off the side of the
I'll
leg.
try to fix it. Give it to Micah, see what he does.
We will fix this guy out though. But thank you to Wild Republic. Thank you, Wild Republic, for this free product.
This is how it happened.
Why doesn't he face that way?
You got it.
Wow.
So,
Thank you for watching this very long episode. Hope you enjoyed it, and we're so sorry. It's up at maybe like 6 p.m.
Yeah.
Next episode will be uploaded at a normal time, I'm sure. That might not be 10 a.m., but it'll be a time.
We'll be around.
12.
And we're doing 12, and we should film it today.
No, we can't.
What?
This is the 12-12 specialty.
Yeah. What's in there is determined on what day it is.
Oh, okay, I get it. So we can't film 12 in advance, so it'll probably be up late.
Yeah.
But you know,
Maybe, probably up at 12.
because of reasons, it's a surprise.
You'll see.
Stay tuned. Make sure you turn on notifications to be notified whenever that's uploaded. Thank you for watching. Stay brave, stay wild, and we'll see you on the next
Yep.
Click these rectangles to watch our videos. Click this circle to subscribe.